Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. By saying this shloka, I am going to start my class today. In the previous classes, we discussed about the lesson number 1, a tiger in the house. This lesson is completed. Now it's time to do the exercises. All of you open page number 7. Open your page number 7. I told you to write the new words. Here there are so many new words given in the page number 6. These are all the new words. Students, write down these all new words in your fair book till here. From here to here, you write down your new words. Okay. Today I am going to tell you this one, speaking, reading and writing exercises. Page number 7. Converse about these points in the story with your partner. Take turns to ask or answer the questions given below. Explain to your partner why you think your answer is correct. Quote from the text if necessary. Means your partner means if you are in a school, you would ask ask questions with your friends, but now you are in home. What you have to do is share with your brother or sisters, or ask questions to your parents and tell your answers to your parents. Got my point? Yes, we'll move to the first question. Question number 1. When did grandfather discover the tiger cub? Who was named him Timothy? Who fed him? What was Timothy's diet? Students, open the page number 1. The Timothy was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. This is the answer for the first question. When did grandfather discover the tiger cub? On the hunting expedition, the grandfather found the tiger cub. Second question, who named him Timothy? Who named him Timothy? Grandmother named him Timothy. In that sub question B, grandmother named him Timothy. The grandmother named him Timothy. Next, in that sub question, who fed him? Question number C, who fed him? Who fed him? Who fed to Timothy? Who fed to Timothy? The Timothy was fed by his cook Muhammad. Cook name is Muhammad. The Timothy was fed by his cook Muhammad. It is in the page number 1 in the first paragraph. And what was the Timothy's diet? The Timothy's diet was the Timothy's diet was raw mutton, cod liver oil, and next diet of pigeons and tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. pigeons and rabbits. Okay. Pigeons and rabbits. This is the first one, answers. First question, answers. Next, coming to the next question. Who were Timothy's two companions? Who were Timothy's two companions? The Timothy's two companions are Toto and the monkey. Toto and the monkey. It is in the paragraph number 2. On the page number 2. Page number 2 and paragraph number 2. How did they show him that they were not afraid? How did they show? Toto and the monkey, these are the two companions who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. This is the answer for second question. Third question is, Timothy was more friendly with Toto than with the puppy. The Timothy was more friendly with the puppy. True or false? True. True or not true? True. It's a true. Fourth question. When the boy took Timothy out for a walk, why did people in the street give them a wide berth? It is in the paragraph number 5. Page number 2. When Timothy go out for a walk, people on the road would give them on a wide berth because he used to pull hard on his chain and the boy was had difficulty in keeping with him. This is the answer. Next, fifth question. Timothy had an air of superiority about him. True or not true? True. Timothy's wild nature came out gradually. Question number 6. Timothy's wild nature came out gradually. True or false? True. Everyone took grandmother's warning seriously. True or not true? True. Yes, everyone took grandmother's prophetic manner seriously. Question number 8. What changes in Timothy made grandfather decide to transfer him zoo? It is in the paragraph number 8. Page number 3. Page number 3. Paragraph number 8. When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When out for a walk with boy, he would try to steal away to stark at a cat or someone's peccaries. Sometimes at night, we would hear fragile cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning, there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Till here, this is the answer for this question, 8th question. Next, question number 9. Why did grandmother say to the tiger, good night, Timothy? At the last, it is in the last paragraph, page number 6. With his face near the tigers, he mumbled, good night, Timothy. Means he felt that the tiger was his Timothy. So he said good night to that tiger. Next question is, why did the tiger begin to lick grandfather's hand with more and more relish? Why did the tiger begin to lick grandfather's hand more and more with a great relish? Means here it is paragraph number 13. The tiger licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when Leopold in the next case snarled at him because the grandfather shooed the leopard away and the tiger returned to lick his hands but every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars. This is the reason. This is the answer for that question. Next, question number 11, last question. Why did grandfather give a scornful look to the keeper? Because the keeper was said that your Timothy or your tiger was died 6 months ago. So the grandfather was give a scornful look to the keeper. This is the answer. In the last paragraph it is there. Page number 6, last paragraph. Children, these are the answers for your questions. I will send you answers through WhatsApp and you write down in your fair book. Till here it is clear, and remaining exercise will continue in the next class. I will tell you in the next class. Till then, you do all this work and complete this work, complete your fair book. Write it neatly. Answer must be clean and neat. Thank you, students.